Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to download my land distribution app. And the first step is to go to this link that will be in the description. And basically, you're supposed to download everything in this file, and we can look at the readme.md to understand more without this video. The first step is to download these group icons because at the moment, putting the member images for a K-pop group is quite unintuitive. Basically, it creates a group icons folder. So it has some starter profile pictures for the most popular K-pop groups in my selection. One of them is BTS. And basically, the whole reason why I'm doing this is because once you download the line distribution app, it requires the group icons folder to detect who is singing in a given chunk. So we're just going to copy and paste like this. And I'm going to take my already downloaded app. I'll place it in the folder I just created here, right? I wanna- yeah, that's fine. So load the app. So it takes a little time to load when you first install it. So be patient. A lot of stuff is going on. Gonna work? Yes. Okay, you're gonna work. So as you can see, it already detects which members are in the group icons folder. So we have BTS, aespa. I added a new feature to uh, add a group manually. So I'm going to show you an example using Artemis because I have some stuff pre-generated. So yeah, let's go to. Oh, I have it saved in a different folder, Artemis doll. And basically, you can press this button, scan members from circle PNGs to create your members, and then you can just choose whatever colors you want. For simplicity, I'm just gonna randomly choose stuff. Give like rough colors about like of what they have. And we can do. Let's just do a simple red. This. Then there is a font file that's included with the actual program, but customize it in any way you want. And if you go back to the, oh shoot, okay. So this is where the folder is, and you should move those images into the group icons that it's created for you, but the images have to be in here, otherwise it won't detect it. So if we go back to my, personal directory, you can see that these images have been created, right here. This is what it looks like when it's dark. It's just automatic, so you don't have to worry about uh, trying to create it by scratch because it's really easy. Let's first show how you can change pictures for Remember. So you could do like manually choosing what the photo is for each member. So for example, if I search up a picture of Jin, and I'll take this one. I like this picture a lot. Sure, whatever. This is IMDb. This the folder. You go to create a new directory called Remember Images. You don't have to manually create this. It will automatically create it for you. But if you want to manually put in your images so that it always gets said images, you can do it like this. And basically, I can do basically right click on an image, set image from URL, or you can do choose local image, and I have to go back. There we go. And then see, now we have Jin. This is just for visual stuff. Now, if you see the members, you can realize that this is just alphabetical order. And if you want to have age order, which is what I usually do for K-pop songs, because Korea and Japan care a lot about how old everyone is. So you could do edit current group, And as you can see, you can also change the templates, the light template, circle template, and dark template. This is very important for later. You have to have this the same format for each member. You can do what I've put, or you can like customize. Like you can do, oops, you can put in like your own stuff. You can put underscores. You can put anything, but it has to be consistent for all your members. And for display order, you could do whatever you want, but obviously you're probably going to care about the age of the members. I'll just put it down like this. And you can put a space. It doesn't matter as long as you don't misspell the members' names. Test, all the valid, and then save, and voila. Now that is a bug. I did not realize that. We can fix that later. It's not a devastating thing. The image does disappear, but you'll be fine. So let me see if this works. Oh, okay. So it is a bug that I have to fix because I think it changes the JSON file. And next step, you can choose the media folder. And I already have a lot of data for the BTS songs. I just have it organized, but you can do whatever you want. And you can press select song. And so as you can see, every song is originally unclaimed, meaning that you can assign albums, which means if you want to put a specific theme or specific era, you have to go back to group icons, go to your select group, and you see how there's a set of pictures for B, and if you look at the image, it's from the actual album, right? So what you can do is I'll take songs of the song from B. The one that I like, oh yeah, Blue and Gray. That's a good one. We can do create new album and assign. So basically, just make sure you type in the exact folder name. Sorry, very unintuitive again. And as you can see, it's no longer going to be, wait, please work. At not good. So it does get the automatic one, right? And I can show you how this stuff works. Basically, this is the line distribution part. This is mostly for me to collect data. And you can hear the data, you can hear the audio. It's the song itself if you have the WAV file correct. Basically, what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to look at the cache, or no, like whatever your training data source is, just put in any WAV files or MP3 files that you want. And if there is lag, that's because it's resampling to a lower quality, so it won't crash, right? And the audio will less lag behind. And where's my engine? Basically, what I was doing here is if you want to make a start point, which is where the singer starts singing, you can press Q, or you can go up here to press labels. Press Q. It's more convenient than doing this. And it's gonna yell at you if you try to do like an end point before a start point, or you try to spam, right? It's gonna I don't know, be annoying. And then once you have a pair of start and end points, you can go to edit, go not edit labels, go to add labels, or you can press E, and then you can click on this on the label that you want to create. You can choose a member. Now, obviously, we have all the BTS members here. And you have gang vocal and cut. And gang vocal is just everybody singing at the same time, and you can't really discern who is singing at that time. And cut is something that we'll use later. It'll be a little bit slower, but we'll see. So I get Jungkook, not Jungkook, it's V. What am I saying? So, and then updates the UI, and this timer goes up. Yeah, so basically what happens here is that you can keep doing it like this. And if you were wondering why his bars aren't going like, in the actual line distribution itself, and why he's still stuck here, that's just because I didn't want to update the positions every time you do an edit. Otherwise, take a very, very long time. And let's let up the experience. So you can press, go to view. No, you can't, not views. It's, shoot. I never use this menu because I use the shortcuts. Yeah, tools. Reset positions or Control R. And then he's up here. So as you can see, if you go back to the labels. Where's my yeah, so basically that's what the line distribution should do. Now, another thing that you can do is create label and add lyrics, and you basically have options Korean, so what's the sarang here or something? Not actually the lyrics, but you can copy and paste from like color-coded lyrics or something. Romanize. I do have the Korean keyboard. I love you, right? You can submit. Shoot, I forgot that you have to put in a starting chunk. So good thing I have to do that. Basically what you can do is instead of manually typing in the chunk, that is a bug that I have to fix. But basically, say jin's saranghe, which is not intentional. But basically, what you can do is go to add labels, which is E, and you can press add lyrics here, and you can make him say whatever, blah blah blah, right? And he'll be here. And basically, what happens is it'll automatically like do the animations for when the lyrics should be coming up. Yeah, see how it goes down like that? Yeah, so that's just automatically in. Now, let's say you finished your line distribution and you want to record a video. So if you go to save labels, you see that already automatically made for you. You have lyrics and history. If you want to reload, you can, but it's not super accurate. So be spare with that. I'll come up with an update soon. Yeah. So, for example, if I do this, I can do Control Z. It'll delete it, but that's not what I actually wanted to do because it only saves the label. So if you try to redo when you don't have a set label, you're gonna get rid of all your like unset start and end points. That will be changed. And also these lyrics are not backed by the redo and undo kind of stuff. So just be careful for now. And I'll show you some other things that this thing can do. Another one is thumbnail, which is mostly for my videos because I was lazy to do fucking Photoshop, right? And take a random frame or something, go to select image, then choose a background image. I don't know. And then you do enter thumbnail mode, right? And then at the moment, it doesn't work super well. So you could do Windows Shift S, and you can take a screenshot and then copy and paste it into like Paint or any photo editing app you want. And then you can click out of it and automatically go back to the like non-thumbnail mode. So that's basically it. It's very simple. There is this one thing called count backing because I'll show you an example of why you would need to not count backing. If you do a analyzation of their vocals in this song, Jungkook is literally backing 90% of the song. It's kind of insane. You hear that little soft beat voice? It's Jungkook. I can't help it. So if I do this line distribution like this, you see how much red there is. This is all Jungkook. And basically what happens is that he's 142nd, right? That's insane. That's not normal for a line distribution, but he's actually backing everybody in this song. So what you have to do is you can go to tools, you can do count backing, and basically that changes the line distribution so it doesn't count singers that are backing each other because there are cases where J-Hope also backs and it's a mess. Now, another fun thing you could do is you press P to show the pie chart, right? This is what it looks like, and there's a fairness score. It tells you, oh, this song is actually pretty fair. I did a whole mathematical formula for this. Basically, in a K-pop song, there's not going to be like everyone's going to be equal, right? 100 out of 7%. But basically, Depends on the position, depends on how far everybody is from the group, right? From each other. Like, for example, this song here is kind of insane. If you look at the unfair version, which is where Jungkook backs everything. Break. Okay, to break. I'm backing again. Then you press P again. See that Jungkook is singing 47%, and the fairness is at 5% because it's fucked up now. Hilarious to me. And yeah, that massive red is disheartening. So, the video. Now, if you go to record and start recording, it'll take a while to start because it's trying to get all the libraries uh, accessed that can do this recording. But yeah, there we go. See, now this records, and it records frame by frame, and don't minimize out of this. And you can push tabs. You're fine. I'm using ChatGPT here, and you can go back. And if you accidentally started a video, we'll wait for a little bit so I can show you how the example video looks like. But you can press escape to exit the video. Going to press escape to get out of the video. It's going to take a little bit to generate the audio because I'll show you finished product, not here.
Who am I? The revolution. 환상 속에 태어나.
Yep, so that's how it works. So if you guys have any problems working with the app, let me know in the comments below or submit a bug report in the link below. And I hope you enjoy the app.